Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join almost 20,000 of us over here. I'm gonna show you how to achieve these cute little wig braids, y'all. Yes, there's wig braids. This is just a really easy way to do cornrows on yourself, to do braids on yourself, and to make them look super neat. If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we are starting with our day 5 heatless curls. I have not refreshed or anything, so this is how my hair wore over time. If you missed that video on how to get no heat curls on your hair, I'll go ahead and link it above. I think I'm going to do either 6 or 8 braids, middle part of course. Okay, we have a middle part. I don't know if it's straight, but it's a middle part. Y'all tell me if my part's straight or not. I'm gonna go ahead and split this section in half as well. Okay, this is going to be a total of 2 braids in this one section. Okay, so this is going to be our first section for our braid. I am going to quickly detangle just so it doesn't make it super difficult for me to get my fingers through this section. And she is a little dry, so we are going to use a little bit of product. Now, the most important part of doing any cornrows, any type of braids, is your edge control. Not all these edge controls can be trusted, okay? Get you one you can trust. I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer Glued. This is your Krabby Patty secret formula, okay? Especially if you really don't know how to cornrow like me. Put it all on the top and put it all on the bottom. So now that I've applied my edge control, I'm just taking my edge brush and I'm gonna smooth the hairs in the direction that I want the braid to go. My least favorite part is the cornrow. 3. Okay. Those are our 3 sections. And I'm going to start plaiting. You'll see that I'm doing it in a way that I usually don't hold my hands. But this is just going to make it really easy for me to pick up hair. Okay? So right now I haven't added anything into my section. But I'm going to start kind of scooping the hair with my fingers. And then we've picked up all the hair we can pick up, so I'm just gonna braid or plait all the way down. And usually I change my hand position now. And I go ahead and plait. I'm gonna leave the ends loose for now, but I'll add some extra product when we're done. This is the cornrow. Go ahead and move on to the next section. I am putting the comb here just to make sure I'm not grabbing any extra hairs. So let's quickly detangle, adding some moisturizer. the most important product, add your edge control. So you do kind of have to make sure you have a good grip at your roots so that the braid actually sticks to your scalp. Two down, two more to go on this side. Now these ones I already know are going to be slightly thicker because my hair gets thicker as you go up. Okay, y'all, so we have officially completed half of our cornrows, and my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the charger, and when I come back, I'll leave y'all like one on this side to finish off, and then we'll be done with our little cornrow situation, okay? So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, and those are my braids, my cornrows. So as y'all can see, the top ones are struggling, okay? But that's where my hair gets the thickest. Okay, y'all, so these are my braids. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. But you already know the next video is gonna be about a wig, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single upload, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. My forehead looks humongous. Oh my gosh.